It is my pleasure. Thank you very much. It was a great workshop. Been with the organization almost a year now. In the industry, I've been for almost 25 years in the industry. Work both with payers and providers. And it's been a great experience. I'm right now with the BPAS team working on implementation for all our new clients. It's a mindset more than anything. It's a mindset. It's realizing that we are here to serve and not to be served. And when you look at things that way, everything changes. Absolutely everything changes. And you can bring so much more out of people, not only ourselves, but out of people, because they receive that goodness and they are more engaged in doing more. And anything that they do, it doesn't matter how menial or considered small or perceived small or big, it's just a good mindset to be at. Other key takeaways, it might sound daunting to people when we say that we want to serve and not be served. And it really isn't. When you understand that on your day-to-day, there are practical things that you can do to demonstrate and to behave that way, it really makes the whole process easy. And that's what the workshop does. It's very clear in driving that message and showing real life samples and real life situations and how just by us making that switch, things can change dramatically in everything that we do. Implementing that's very good. Something that I really remember from the workshop, it's that curiosity. It's about asking questions to drive that information out of people. That is definitely something that I will implement. I will remind myself to ask more questions. There's 85 of me and 15 of you, and that's what I want to bring out by being curious. And that curiosity is what build trust. That's another thing that we learned from the workshop. And that really puts us in a very good position to create that influence that ultimately we want to have to drive everything that we're doing. So that's what I want to be doing, asking a lot more questions that I normally ask. Absolutely. Absolutely, yes. I already did. And I've been asking them, did you get the email? Come on, you really have to do it. Happy to help you with the feedback. But yes, I have absolutely recommend it to other people. It's enriching not only because it will help them to perform better on their day-to-day activities, but because it makes you a better person.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative, both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.